Hello viewers, how are you all? In this video, I am going to tell you as we require bricks, cement and iron and a lot of things to make a building. In the same way, there are building blocks in language also, and in English language when we talk about the speech, the language, we have some basic structure which is required to make sentences, to make them meaningful, to make them convey the message to the listener or the reader. So before moving on to the deeper grammar portions, you should know the basic grammar concepts, and to understand that you should know the basic ingredients. Like we have ingredients in a recipe, we have material in the building industry, like that we have basic things which are required to be known to the students of English, that these are the building blocks of this language or speech, which are called the parts of speech. So in this video I am going to tell you about the parts of speech, what they are, how many types of parts of speech are, and all the meanings which they have, what they are. So let's see what are the parts of speech.
Noun. Name of a person, place, an animal or a thing is called a noun. Sohail is my friend. Sohail is the noun. We went to the market. Market is a place. I have a pet dog. Dog is an animal. I read a book or I read a book. Book is a thing. So you can see that in these examples we can see all the names of person, place, animal or thing. So these are the nouns. Next comes the pronoun. Pronoun is the word used in the place of a noun. Did you give me the keys? You. The car is mine. We are neighbors. I know her well. Now you can see that you, me, mine, we, her, these are all pronouns which are used in place of names. The third one is adjective, the words which add to the meaning or tell the quality of a noun or pronoun. That is a huge cake. How is the cake? Huge. It is very hot today. How is the day today? It's very hot. And I will have 2 donuts. How much donuts I will have? 2 donuts. So these tell the quality of noun or pronoun, are the adjectives. Next is verb. It tells us what someone does, is or has, or the action words are called verbs in simple language. ये जो जिसको हम क्रिया कहते हैं वो है. Maricom won the boxing match. Boxing match won by the Maricom. So one is the action. Suman is intelligent. How is she? She is intelligent. It's the be form of verb. Joe has short hair. It is of position, has short hair. So next is adverb. Adverbs are those which add to the meaning or qualify a verb. Verb की quality बताते हैं. वो क्या है? Adverb है. The word like Joseph played the drums beautifully. How he played the drums? Beautifully. It is the adverb. Let's meet outside. Where we should meet? Outside. बाहर मिलना है. तो मिलने की जो क्वालिटी है वो क्या है? Outside. He ran fast. He ran fast. So fast is the quality of verb ran. So these are the adverbs. The next in line is preposition. Preposition, the word that is placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with the other words or things in a sentence. The waiter puts the plate on the table. On is the preposition. The cat is hiding under the bed. Where she is hiding? Under. The lady is near the car. Where is she? Near the car. He will come on Monday. Time बता रहा है, so on Monday is the preposition. On, under, near are the prepositions. Next one is conjunction. As you can see, the word junction shows which joins. So conjunction is the word that joins two words or sentences. Are you coming or not? Or is the conjunction. I like coffee, but is the conjunction. My sister likes tea. I go to school because I want to study. Because is the conjunction here. दो words या sentences को जोड़ते हैं. Next comes the interjection. A word or a group of words that used to express an emotion, joy, sorrow, happiness. ये सब जो बताते हैं वो हमारे interjection है. Ouch! It hurts. Hooray! We won the match. Oh no! It has started raining heavily. So these ouch, hooray or oh no, these are the interjections. Interjection has the element of surprise, happiness or sorrow. We can see here in these sentences. In sentences में जो ouch हो रहे ये सब देखिए एक exclamation mark से finish भी हो रहे हैं, end होते हैं ये words या terms. तो ये interjections हैं.
So students, these were the parts of speech. 8 parts of speech which are the basic building blocks of speech in English language. So you should learn about them more and you should comply with the rules and regulations of grammar to understand and write and speak this language properly. Okay?